Hey, what's up?
Not much. Just got back from a walk. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks. So, how was your walk?
It was great. The weather is perfect for it.
Yeah, I love this time of year. What do you like to do in the morning?
I like to walk or do some yoga. How about you?
I'm more of a night owl, so I usually sleep in.
I'm trying to become a morning person. It's tough.
Yeah, I can imagine. So, what do you like to do for fun?
I love reading and hiking. How about you?
I love singing and playing sports. I went to the beach as well. I needed some relaxation.
That sounds amazing. I need a beach vacation too.
Yeah, it's definitely rejuvenating. Did you do anything fun last week?
Not too much. Just work and stuff. You know how it is.
Totally. I'm glad to be back to normal routine now. So, have you tried that new restaurant downtown?
Actually, I was just thinking about trying it out this week.
Oh, you should. I heard great things about it. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love trying different types of cuisine, but if I had to choose, I'd say Italian.
Italian is great. I had the best pasta last week at a new Italian place. Do you like cooking?
Yeah, I love cooking. I try out new recipes every weekend.
That's awesome. I'm more of a takeout person myself. Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I love playing guitar and hiking. How about you?
I'm more of a bookworm. I love reading and listening to music. What kind of music do you like?
I'm a big fan of rock music. How about you?
I love all kinds of music, but pop is my favorite. Have you been to any good concerts lately?
No, not recently, but I'm planning to go see a concert next month.
That sounds like fun. I'll have to check it out. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Want to grab brunch on Saturday?
Sounds like a plan. I'll send you a message on Friday to confirm. Do you like trying new things?
Absolutely. I'm always up for trying something new.
Awesome. There's a new art exhibit at the museum that I'm planning to check out. Want to join me?
Yeah, that sounds interesting. When were you planning to go?
Maybe next weekend. I'll send you the details once I confirm the dates.
Sounds good to me.
It was great catching up with you. Let's plan that trip or grab coffee soon.
Sounds like a plan. Looking forward to it.